Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY Musician Secrets. This is secret number 6. How to register with ASCAP. Music gets stolen from the original creator more often than people in the industry would like to admit. To that end, all creators need to protect their art once it gets published or made available to the public. And there are a number of organizations that help creators collect royalties from their music. They're called Publishing Rights Organizations, or PROs. The one we'll talk about here is ASCAP. ASCAP is the oldest PRO out there. It was founded in 1914. Notable artists that are or were ASCAP members are Justin Timberlake, Vampire Weekend, Duke Ellington, Dave Matthews, George Gershwin, Stevie Wonder, Beyonce, Mark Anthony, and Henry Mancini. And these are the steps to get your music registered with ASCAP. So the first thing you need to do is get to a computer, whether that's yours or one at the library. And step 2 is to open your browser. You can see my Chrome browser is open. Type in www.ascap.com and click enter. Step 3, you're going to click Music Creators. And in the drop-down menu, if you're already a member, go ahead and log in. I'm going to assume that you're not, and we want to click Join. That's step 4, is to click Join. Step 5 is to click Writer on the next page. Now, if you're a songwriter, this is all you need to do. You can see there's a $50 application fee, but if you do have a record label or you plan to operate a record label in the future and you're a songwriter, click Writer and Publisher. If you're simply a record label, click Publisher and go from there. So that opens up the membership application form. And step 6 is to fill out the membership application form. It's 3 or more pages on the site. First, you'll fill out your name and personal information. Click Continue to step 2 button. Continue to fill out the application and click the buttons that take you through it. Finally, there's a button that takes you to the payment. So you can see that they want your name, date of birth. Are you a U.S. resident? Because this is a U.S. company. They want your address, your tax ID number. If you're an individual, this will be your social security number. But if you have an LLC to operate your art as a business, then you want to put your federal tax ID number in here. Phone number, email, what genre you typically make your music in, and your stage name or other stage names if you have multiple. And you'll click continue. It's going to help you set up your royalties, where they should go. Anybody else that may have rights to your royalties, you'll put that information in. Then you'll submit the required documents, which is typically for tax purposes, but follow all the instructions through, and then finally you're gonna submit your payment. That's step 7, is to pay your fee to ASCAP. It's $50, as you can see. Next, after you've registered and paid your fee, you're gonna want to register music in your profile. Once you've registered, you'll be allowed to register the songs you want to protect. Only register music that you wrote yourself. You'll get dinged if you register music that someone else has already registered. I know I said registered a lot there, but this is a particularly important word, because when you register songs to yourself, it gives you the right to claim that music. You need to do it here, but you also need to do it in the Library of Congress, which is covered in another DIY secret. But step 9 is to save your works to the website and license, perform, and promote the hell out of them. Then wait for your royalty checks to roll in. And that's it.